In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cut a watermelon in 1 second. Yes, literally 1 second. You're gonna do this and you're gonna say to yourself, Andrea Jean, why have I not been doing this my whole life? Now, it's very important that you have the correct size watermelon. You don't want those like massive jumbo ones, unless it's a bit skinnier, and you'll see why here in just a second. What you're gonna need is a good, solid, steady surface. Put a little bit of water under your dish rag here, whatever towel you're gonna use, and your cutting board. That way it does not slip. This first part here is optional. You do not have to do this part, but I do think it helps. Now, get yourself a sharp knife. This could be a no knife cutting watermelon type thing. You'll understand why here in a second. I'm gonna cut the bottom off. Yes, we're gonna just discard that for a second. We're gonna take this beast, hello baby, and we're gonna tip her up on the side like so. And then we're gonna bring in what I'd like to call the magic bullet. You may have seen these for apples, but have you seen them for watermelon? I bet you have not. Let's put this baby to work, shall we? Yes, yes, yes. Now, this is why you need to have a watermelon that's a little bit skinnier. She can be long, but she need to be a little bit skinny in order to fit inside of here. Why do I know that? Because I've tried it. Here's one other thing I like to do. Again, this part is optional here, but I do think it helps. So this is what we're gonna do. Flip your baby on her bottom. All right, we're gonna literally cut this watermelon in 1 second. Are we ready? Yes, we are. We're gonna do a countdown here. Let's just get her, ooh, 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 right there, okay? A little head start, yes? On your marks. 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, dun, dun. It helps if you have a little pressure. This counter's high, so I can't really get right up on it. But look at this. This is amazing. Let me turn you around. Look at this beauty. I'm so excited. I mean, look at this thing right here, right here. This is a fun part. Let's pull the center out, shall we? Oh, twist her around, get her out of there. We'll come back to her. But look at this, pull this right on out. And you have beautiful watermelon slices. I mean, who doesn't want to dive into that? Here's another little trick for you. This is a great way to make, let me show you. But before we do that, look at this. Like, this is so cool. It looks like an icicle. Let me just take a bite here. Oh, that's good. These, a beautiful presentation, and you can do this without a fork. You can eat just like so. Super clean, easy cleanup, easy for kids, and easy for me. If you're interested in any of the servingware that I use, it is linked in my Amazon store in the description box below. I love hosting parties, so I have a ton of fun trays, serving platters, serving dishes, all the things. If you want to learn how I did this exactly, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.